Isaw. Barbecue isaw. The silent, my dear, thank you. Thank you to all my viewers. God bless all my viewers. God bless you. Thank you for always unconditional support in my channel. You are welcome, Lady Peanut. I plan maybe tomorrow I'll do live in my Lady Peanut. At least like 20 minutes or half an hour, Greg. They are saying official measurement at the airport is 7 inches of the snow. 7 inches? 7 inches? It's how? It's not too thick, yeah. It's not too... It's not very thick. Yeah, 7 inches. They are JS Rocker. Laxman, hello hot girl, be happy always enjoy. That's a lot for us. Already this a lot. 7 inches. Oh, you know, come to the snow, Jaja. If I can come, I will come. I want to know how it is. Great, she thinks 7 inches is small. How tall the 7 inches? Why the silent? Why you are laughing at me, I feel hungry. Give me what you cook. The silent, give me what you cook. Seven inches? How many like that? JS Rocker, how many like this 7 inches? This how many inches? 5 inches? I'm dying of laughter right now.